Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the magical realm of spirituality and energy as we prepare for the upcoming pink full moon. This celestial event holds immense significance for us all, offering a powerful opportunity for growth and transformation. As we embrace the energy of the pink full moon, it's essential to understand the importance of cleansing and spiritual shifting. This lunar phase serves as a potent catalyst for releasing negative energies and setting intentions that align with our highest good. Now, let's explore various methods for cleansing and preparing ourselves for the pink full moon's energy. From the ancient practice of smudging with sage to the purifying properties of crystal cleansing, there are countless ways to cleanse our energy and create a harmonious space for spiritual growth. Meditation also plays a crucial role during this time, allowing us to connect with our inner selves and tap into the wisdom of the universe. By quieting our minds and tuning into the present moment, we can amplify the transformative power of the pink full moon. As we approach the climax of this lunar phase, it's essential to acknowledge the significance of this moment. The pink full moon represents a time of renewal, growth, and manifestation. By harnessing its energy and aligning ourselves with the universe, we can pave the way for positive change and abundance in our lives. In conclusion, embracing the energy of the pink full moon offers us a profound opportunity for spiritual growth and transformation. By releasing what no longer serves us and setting intentions aligned with our soul's purpose, we can step into a new chapter of our lives with clarity and purpose. Before we part ways, I encourage you to share your experiences with preparing for the pink full moon in the comments below. And don't forget to explore more spiritual content on our channel to continue your journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Thank you.